Artificial intelligence may look digital, but it is not weightless. Every AI model, every AI agent, every automated workflow, and every intelligent system runs on physical infrastructure: land, power, water, cooling, transmission lines, backup generation, community approval, and public trust. That is the part of AI strategy many boardrooms still do not fully see. AI does not live only in the cloud. It lives somewhere, it consumes something, and it affects someone. The blunt reality is this: the benefits of AI are often corporate and global, but the burdens of data centers are often local and physical. A company may gain productivity, a vendor may gain revenue, a shareholder may gain value, but a community may face higher electricity demand, water concerns, land use pressure, traffic, and questions about who pays for grid upgrades. That tension is becoming one of the most important hidden risks in the AI economy. This is the red zone. The red zone is where leaders identify risk before it becomes a public failure. For communities, the risk is immediate. Will the data center strain the local grid? Will residents pay more for power? Will water use affect households or farms? Will permanent jobs justify the impact? These are not anti-technology questions. They are accountability questions. Residents deserve to be informed early. For enterprises, the red zone is just as serious. If your AI strategy depends on massive compute, it also depends on community acceptance. This is a board-level risk, a cloud cost and sustainability risk. The enterprise cannot govern AI while ignoring the infrastructure that makes AI possible. This is the yellow zone. The yellow zone is proof, not hype, not AI at any cost, proof. Before enterprises scale AI, leadership must ask, what is the business value? How much compute does it require? What energy and water exposure sits behind the vendor? Because an AI proof of concept that ignores infrastructure is incomplete. It may prove the technology works, but not that the operating model is ready. For communities, the yellow zone requires proof too. What tax revenue is guaranteed? What local benefits are enforceable, not just promised? This is the green zone. The green zone is governed readiness. AI infrastructure is managed like a strategic resource. Compute is measured, risk is reported, the board sees whether AI value exceeds its full cost. That is what mature AI governance looks like. For communities, governed readiness means transparency and accountability. The strongest projects earn trust early through clear disclosure. By 2030, the companies that win will use compute wisely. They will understand that every AI strategy has a physical footprint. Red, identify risk. Yellow, prove value. Green, deploy only with governance. If value depends on invisible costs, the strategy is exposed.